Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss the subject of Hegel. It's going to be an all-day thing. We're going to have 3 videos all about Hegel. Hegel is kind of difficult and he is very, very intellectual, but we're going to simplify the words as much as we can, make it where it's understandable as easy as we can, basically, because Hegel is kind of complicated. With that, we're going to touch the first subject of family and the state. And with that, I'll turn the subject to my grandson, Tristan. Go ahead, Tristan.
All right, thank you. So, as was previously stated, we're going to be continuing our series on Hegel by talking about the family and the state. Now, if you remember in our last video about Hegel, he basically destroyed, or in his view at least, destroyed Kant's categorical imperative. So now he's trying to find an objective benchmark, a foundation for morality to be based upon. And he comes across the ethical world, which in his view, the ethical world is the foundation of morality and ethics. And within the ethical world is contained family and the state, and these two things are the arbiters or creators of morality. Now, the state would refer specifically to a universality, so that would refer to a community, so that would refer to pretty much all individuals kind of superseded or characterized as one mass, as one community. So that would be what the state is in Hegelian terms. And the family would be kind of the opposites. So it's a collection of distinct individuals, and essentially the family is the mode of expression for those distinct individuals. And the reason why they're a collection is because they are united, these individuals, by blood, and that's what makes them a family. So Hegel kind of thought like, okay, we have this objective, ethical world now to base morality upon. That's great, but there's also kind of a contradiction here. We have family, which is the expression of individuals, a collection of individuals. So this is an expression of individuality versus the state, which is an expression of pure universality or pure community. So obviously individuality and collectivism, they kind of, clash. They're two opposite things, two opposite expressions. So Hegel thought that, okay, with this contradiction, the ethical world will pretty much be destroyed. But he also tried to find a solution to this. So the solution to this problem, this contradiction that he found, is he said that, okay, even if when we look at, the family, it's an expression of individuals, it's still a collection of individuals that are united by blood, right? So we can kind of sense a universality here, or a community here, even though it's an expression of individuals, right? The universality in this case would be the blood relation between the collection of individuals. So that would be the blood, so the blood would be like the universality or the community aspect of the individuals or the collection of individuals. So this means that the state and the family aren't really contradicting anymore. Instead, they can be kind of lumped together and kind of combined together to make one ethical world. And the reason behind that is because the family and the state are not contradicting, because the state consists of a community and the family no longer consists of just an individuality. It consists of also a community or a universal aspect. So this means that they're not constituted by two aspects that fundamentally contradict, but they can be kind of lumped together through this community of blood. So that would pretty much wrap up the subject in question. Thank you
for watching.